If you already know the Ukrainian alphabet, you can skip this lesson and go straight to the next. If you don't, you may want to watch this video a few times until you've memorized all the letters. Here is the Ukrainian alphabet, or abetka. Let's do the easy letters first. A, like ha ha ha. B, like boy or banana. V, like victory. G, like girl. D, like dog. E, like enter. Z, like zoo. Y, like your or yogurt. K, like king. L, like lake. M, like mom. N, like north. O, like ocean. P, like puppy. R, a rolled R, like in Spanish, burrito. S, like super. T, like tennis. U, like the English double O, room. F, like fox. U, like universe. Words in Ukrainian are pronounced exactly as they are written, so try reading this word. That's right, restoran, not pektopa. Don't worry, you'll have it mastered in no time. Now for some letters that are a little more challenging. J, like the sound in garage, massage, or the name Jacques. E, like easy, see, or English. Don't confuse this with an English short I, like internet, or long I, like island. It will only ever have this double E sound. Tse, like in pizza. Che, like cheese. Sha, a hard sh sound, like in sure or short. Ye, like yes. Yi, like yield. Ya, like yacht. And now for the most difficult sounds which don't have English equivalents. Ha, a throaty H sound like in Ahmed or Hanukkah. Shcha, a combination of sh and ch, used in very common words like shcho and borscht. Re, think of this as an English H, but instead of being breathy like house, constrict your throat to make it vibrate with a touch of G. Hora, which is the word for mountain. And lastly, think of the sound in English words like book, and then add an I to the end. Like in the word soupy, the word for soups. And this last one is not so much a letter as it is punctuation. It's called a soft sign. It changes how a consonant is pronounced, like L, N, or T. You will pronounce the letter like normal, but have the tip of your tongue touch the roof of your mouth. Think the N in banana versus mañana in Spanish. In, o, il, t. Now for practice. To start, I'll give you some English words, but written with the Ukrainian alphabet. Boy, cheese, front, lemon, star. And now actual words in Ukrainian. Park, pizza, яхта, massage, кит, борщ, ты, чай, весна, гора, дим, Європа, змій, ліс, вудка, школа, юнак, Київ, Львів, Україна, південь.